Yo, smartphone warriors! Welcome back to another episode where we help you get the most out of your tech. Today we're tackling a common issue that plagues many of us, running out of storage space on our phones. It's frustrating, right? But don't worry, we've got you covered with 7 easy tips to free up space and get your phone running smoothly again. Is your phone's memory holding you back? Are you constantly getting those annoying low storage alerts? Time for a cleanup. Let's dive into some practical steps to reclaim that precious space. Alright, let's dive into it. First up, we need to tackle those unused apps. You'd be surprised how much space they can take up over time. First up, uninstall those unused apps. We all have them, apps we downloaded on a whim and never used again. They're just sitting there, taking up space. Head to Settings, then Apps or App Management. This is where you can see all the apps installed on your phone. Sort by size or last usage and remove what you don't need. It's a quick way to identify the biggest space hogs and get rid of them. Simple, right? But we're just getting started. Next, let's talk about clearing app data and cache. This can free up a surprising amount of space. Next, clear app data and cache. Apps store temporary files and data that can build up over time. Go to Settings, then Storage or Apps. This is where you can manage the storage used by each app. Find apps like Google Play Store, tap and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without affecting your personal data, but be careful with clear data, it resets the app. Only use this if you're okay with losing app settings and data. Now check for offline downloads. These can take up a lot of space without you even realizing it. Apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Spotify might be hogging space with offline content. Go through these apps and see what you can delete. Delete those old videos, music, or podcasts you've already enjoyed. They can always be re-downloaded if you want to watch or listen again. For a tidy Google Play library, open Google Play Store. This is a great way to manage your apps and keep things organized. Go to Library under Manage Apps and Device. Here you can see all the apps you've ever installed. Remove apps you don't plan to reinstall. This won't save space on your device, but it will declutter your app suggestions and make it easier to find what you need. It won't save space, but will declutter your suggestions. A cleaner library means less time searching for the apps you actually use. Don't forget Google Play Services cache. This is another area where temporary files can build up. Head to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Services. This is where you can manage the storage used by Google Play Services. Tap Storage and Clear Cache. This can free up a significant amount of space without affecting your personal data. Large files taking up room? Let's tackle those next. Use your file manager or a cleaning app to find large files. These could be videos, audio files, or documents that you no longer need. Move big videos, audios, or docs to an SD card or cloud storage. This way you can still access them without taking up space on your phone. Lastly, the Google Files app is your friend. It's a powerful tool for managing your storage. Download it if you haven't already. It's free and incredibly useful. It finds large files, duplicates, and unused apps for easy removal. It's like having a personal assistant for your phone's storage. Follow these steps and your phone will be running smoother in no time. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you free up space and make your phone more efficient. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Stay tuned for more tech hacks and tips to make your digital life easier.